Hello, and welcome back to another video tutorial from GoOrganicNow. In this video, we talk about the health benefits of mutton. The terms lamb, mutton, or hogget are used to describe the meat of a domestic sheep. Lamb is a young sheep under 12 months of age that does not have any permanent incisor teeth wear, whereas a female or castrated male sheep having more than 2 permanent incisors and wear is referred to as mutton. All of these are known as sheep meats. Mutton is considered as the red meat produced by the domestic goat. It is commonly and mostly consumed meat all over the world by people because of its high protein level, high iron level, and low fat level. Sheep is famous for its meat, hair, skin, and especially milk. Sheep meat is loaded with all the required healthy nutrients for the body in high amounts. It contains B group of vitamins like vitamin B1, vitamins B2, vitamins B3, vitamins B9, vitamins B12, vitamin E, vitamin K, choline, protein, natural fats, betaine, cholesterol, amino acids, minerals like manganese, calcium, iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, selenium, electrolytes like sodium, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids. It varies nutritional food for the health. Now we will see what are the benefits of mutton. Eating mutton helps in keeping the heart rate, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis and coronary heart disease. It contains a lot of vitamins and nutrients, and vitamin B12 can increase the body's ability to burn fat. The high content of vitamin B12 levels in mutton played a role in the formation, repair, and maintain healthy red blood cells. Mutton enters into the diet during pregnancy, is believed to reduce the risk of birth defects, such as neural tube defects. Mutton contains vitamin B complex, selenium, and choline that are beneficial for preventing cancer. Mutton assists in the recovery of iron in women during menstruation and helps relieve menstrual pain. Mutton helps overcome skin problems such as psoriasis, eczema or acne, and other problems by nourishing the skin. Eating mutton reduces the risk of infection, type 2 diabetes, and other illnesses if eaten regularly and in the right amount. The high content of potassium and low sodium in mutton helps control blood pressure and prevent kidney disease and stroke. Rich in calcium, thus providing better nutrition for bones and teeth. Mutton prevents osteoporosis, joint pain, dental pain, and hair loss. Mutton help in increasing the strength of the immune system and prevent various infections. It helps prevent premature aging because it protects from free radicals. Mutton increases the production of new cells, thereby delaying aging. Side effects of mutton. The meat of inorganically grown goats may cause a variety of health problems due to the side effects of inorganic materials. Eating meat over the limit may cause food poisoning, weight gain, obesity. People having problems with kidney, heart, diabetes, or digestive system may suffer from various problems, thus must consult their physician before adding it to their regular diet. Nutritional information of mutton. 100 grams of cooked mutton contains 234 calories, 11 grams of fat, 33 grams of protein, and 109 milligrams of cholesterol. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and share.